This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a site in WordPress. First, you'll need to choose a memorable domain name that perfectly represents your online presence. Next, select a reliable web hosting provider. Many offer specialized WordPress hosting plans. These plans often include a convenient one-click installation feature, making the initial setup process incredibly straightforward and quick, usually taking just a few minutes to get started. Once you have your hosting, the next step is to install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer a simple one-click installation through their control panel, like cPanel. After installation, you'll receive login credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. This is your site's control center. From here, you can immediately update your site's title and a brief tagline in the general settings, giving your site its first identity. Now for the fun part, choosing a theme. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes to define your site's look and feel. Pick one that is responsive and aligns with your brand. After that, install crucial plugins. Think about security with WordFence, search engine optimization with Yoast SEO, and performance with WP Supercache. These tools are vital for a robust and efficient website, enhancing both user experience and visibility. With your theme and plugins in place, it's time to create content. Start by adding your essential pages like About Us and Contact, and begin writing your first blog posts. Organize your content using menus and categories to ensure easy navigation for your visitors. Before launching, thoroughly review all your settings, check for broken links, and ensure everything looks perfect. Then, you are ready to make your new WordPress site live for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.